seeds. It has to get toasted. I see Nicholas blowing on the coals to add extra fire. So I now remember my dad doing that when he used to braai. So I add a little bit of, and hopefully that works. As soon as that's toasted, I add the oil and let that rest.
Contestants, you have 30 minutes left of this challenge. Remember to keep an eye on your heat source. Guys, the whole challenge of this is getting the coals the temperature you need them. So keep an eye on your cookers to make sure the heat is what you require.
Those are perfect blanched tomatoes.
So I grab the hay. I need to actually do the actual smoking. I place my hay and my avocado on my hay, grab my blowtorch and just, you know, get that fire going. As I close the pot, you know, obviously the fire will go out since there's no oxygen going in. But at the back of my head, I'm still thinking, is it enough smoke? Did it burn enough? And I open it and it literally just has stopped. So I grab my blowtorch again and I literally just go around the whole pot. My food dream is to open up a smokehouse. Today, it's the smoke and the coal, and I'm happy with that.
Is this sauce gonna be okay? All that comes into my mind. I'm putting my linguine heads in my vegetable for the sauce. The only thing I'm worried about is that sauce. I need to nail it.
The time's disappeared. We've only got like 20 minutes to go. I remember I need to take my langoustines out of the brine. When I look down in them, I'm kind of a bit concerned because they're kind of curling. We put the toothpick in to make sure that it stays straight, but now I'm not sure if I did it correctly. I fear that I might have left it on the heat incorrectly.
I'm starting with my avocado, then I put the hair into the pot, light it. I need to do this correctly. I don't know if I must close the lid or must just leave it.
Guys, you've got 15 more minutes to go. It's time to go over your recipe, make sure that you've got everything going and that you're on track to get that food on the plate properly. Remember, we're looking for an exact replica of Chef Nicholas's dish. Smelling good, eh?
You need more heat.
Both of them.
Both of them?
Yes.
Especially this one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you're okay, you're okay.
I've gone through 2 langoustines and it's taking longer than I thought, and I realized that I more than likely should have cut them and cleaned their poop chute out before I brined them.
I've got to make my oil and I've got to sieve my bis. I'm a bit nervous because it just feels like there's just not enough time to do everything.
The experience I've learned from cooking the coal, you have to keep on maintaining those coals. You have to check if the coals are still hot. So it's quite challenging.
Claire, Ndemiso and Sibukazi, you have 10 minutes remaining of this challenge. Remember, your apron is on the line today, guys. Chef Nicholas, how do you think these guys are doing time-wise?
It's gonna be tight.
Yep.
The one thing that's concerning me is the sauce. It's not reddish as Chef Nicola says.
You have 5 minutes remaining. If you're still peeling and cooking, then you're really, really in trouble. Come on, guys, 5 minutes.
Quick. 5 minutes to go. I've chopped up my tomatoes, I've put them one side, I've still got to clean the langoustines, and I've got a plate.
Yeah, that's good. It's gone. This one is gone.
Okay, so one done.
I am checking on my langoustines. They're half done, they're half shelled, half not. I'm leaving them for last. Pick up one of the avocados. I made 5 to be able to taste. And it doesn't taste like it's been smoked enough. So I relight it, close the lid, and think I'll throw them in last. Give it a couple, 30 seconds or a minute to add some extra smoke if possible.
My aim is to get everything on the plate.
Sipakazi seemed to spend a lot of time putting her toothpicks off the langoustines and taking the shells off the tails.
It looks so terrible. I'm looking at the clock. Oh Lord, I don't have time.
It literally is 2 minutes to go and I've got nothing on the plate. I then move over to my bisque, strain it, I'm trying to get as much color and flavor through the sieve. I can taste a strong jalapeno flavor. I'm not sure if I was supposed to keep the seeds in or not, so I add a little bit of salt and some lemon juice.
Guys, come on, your time's running out. You need to get all the elements on the plate.
Ndamiso is plating 1 bowl. It's a 4-bowl challenge. You just want to help the guy and say, mate, you've got to put the 4 up.
Ndamiso,
Yes, Chef.
you know you have to plate 4 plates, huh?
I was concentrating on having 1 good plate. The brief was really to get at 4. And knowing that it's possible to make this dish in 45 minutes shattered me. Till this time, I didn't realize how difficult and crazy it is to peel a langoustine. That thing gave me hell.
60 seconds to go, guys. Get all that food on the plate. You need to be pushing, guys. Get it on there.
Come on, guys.
1 langoustine on every plate and start shelling the rest of my langoustines as they're counting down the last 60 to 30 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's it.